Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today, in Unit 7, I am going to tell you about a poem. The name of the poem is On My Blackboard I Can Draw. Okay, children? So, first of all, we will recite this poem. You will follow me and recite it. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that lead inside, four little chimneys painted white, five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. So, children, you also recite this poem and try to learn it. Okay? In this poem, a little child who is drawing a house on the blackboard. Okay? And see how is his house? One little house with one green door. The house which he has drawn, its door is green. Two brown gates that open wide. And see, here are two gates. These are brown in color and they open wide. Three red steps that lead inside. Children, see, these are three red steps with open, with lead inside. Four little chimneys painted white. Here are four little chimneys. See, children, one, two, three, four. So, four little chimneys painted white. इनका कलर कैसा है? White. Next, five little windows shining bright. So, count here. How many windows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many windows are there in his house? 5 windows. So, we can say five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall. And see here, six marigolds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, six yellow marigolds straight and tall. And these are straight and tall and growing up against the wall. And these marigolds are growing against the wall. इस वॉल के अगेंस्ट मैरीगोल्ड स्ट्रेट एंड टॉल ये खड़े हुए हैं. सो इन दिस वे आई होप you have understood the poem. So children, try to learn it and recite it. Okay? Now see, there are some new words. First, gates. Gates, gates. Next, wide. 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 Lead, lead. Chimney. Chimney, chimney. Marigolds. 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 Straight. Straigst. Straight. So these are new words. You have to write it, these new words, 3 times in your copy and learn its spelling. Now see, here are some questions. So I am going to discuss with you. First question, how many windows does the house have in this poem? So children, how many windows are there? कितनी windows हम लोगों ने count की थी? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. there are 5 windows. So the answer will be the house has 5 windows. Okay. Now second one, where do the marigolds grow? The marigolds grow against the wall. So learn these question answers. Now next exercise. Here are some words are given. You have to say aloud. DRAW draw, DRAIN drain, DRIP drip. Next, brown, brain, brick. Brown, brain, brick. Next one, 3, throw, thread. 3, throw, thread. And next, in next row, grow, grapes, grey. Grow, grapes, grey. So say aloud these words and learn its spelling. And there is one little poem. So please see. Every room becomes dirty if not cleaned. Let's clean our classroom whilst singing this poem. जब हम किसी भी रूम की सफाई नहीं करेंगे तो वो गंदा हो जाएगा. So we have to clean our classroom also. So you can clean your classroom by singing this poem. I am going to sweep the dirt away. I am going to sweep the dirt away. I am going to sweep the dirt away. Who's. जब हम लोग स्वीपिंग करते हैं तो झाड़ू की आवाज कैसी आती है ना? That sound is here. I am going to sweep the dirt away. I am going to sweep the dirt away. I am going to sweep the dirt away. Whoosh. In this way, you clean your classroom by singing this poem. One more activity is here. Here are 2 pictures, 1 and 2. These are 2 rooms of the house. Color them. You have to color these pictures, and based on this activity, complete the paragraph. You have to do this activity on a punch paper. You draw these 2 pictures and complete the paragraphs. So see, first one, this is my, ये कौन सा रूम है? यहाँ पर हमारा बेड है ना? So this is bedroom. So you can write here, this is my bedroom. You will write here, this is my bedroom. It has dash window. How many windows? Only one window is there. So you will write here, it has one window. The color of my bed is. When you color this bed ना, वो कलर आप यहाँ लिखेंगे. जिस कलर से आप अपना बेड कलर करेंगे वही कलर आप यहाँ पर लिख देंगे. Next one, there are dash pictures on the wall. See, how many pictures are there on the wall? 1, 2 and 3. So how many pictures? There are 3 pictures on the wall. So you have to write here 3. The next picture, this is a dash. ये देखिए बेटा, इस पिक्चर में ये कौन सा रूम है? You can write here drawing room or living room. Okay, so you can write here, this is a drawing room. You have to write here drawing room. Okay, next one, it has dash in it. क्या है इसके अंदर? What is this? Sofa set. So you can write here, it has one sofa set. Sofa set. So you write here, it has sofa set in it. Next, We watch dash here. यहाँ पे क्या रखा हुआ है? What is this? Television. So you write here, we watch television here. Television, or you can write here, or TV. Okay? So we watch television here. Next, it has dash curtain. So these are curtains. You have to color it. और जिस कलर से आप कलर करेंगे वही कलर आप यहाँ पर लिख देंगे. इट हैज ब्राउन, ब्लू, रेड, जो भी कलर करेंगे उस कलर का यहाँ पर नाम लिख देंगे. तो इट हैज डैश कर्टन्स. मान लीजिए आपने रेड से कलर किया तो आप यहाँ पे क्या लिख देंगे? इट हैज रेड कर्टन्स. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, इट हैज डैश टेबल. दिस, ये सेंटर टेबल. Or you can write here, it has round table, it has center table. Center table. So you write here, it has center table. So you do this activity on a punch paper, color these pictures and complete the paragraph. Okay? So children, thank you very much and have a nice day. Okay? Bye bye.